Have your scissors at home become misaligned or loose? Have they stopped cutting properly? If your scissors have shifted and can't pick up anything, don't spend money on a sharpener. Grab a wrench. The method is very simple. Let's take a look. This pair of scissors, after being used for a long time, has become misaligned. After cutting other materials, it can no longer cut well. Now, I'll demonstrate the problem. Let's try to cut this plastic film. This plastic film used to be easy to cut with these scissors. Now, watch as I try to cut this. What do you think? I can't cut it. Why? Because the scissors are misaligned. You see, these scissors can't even cut plastic film, let alone anything else. We're going to use this wrench to fix them now. It's very simple. When the scissors cut, you can see that they just push the material in the middle instead of shearing it. This indicates a gap between the blades. We just need to address that. Grab a towel to protect the blades. We simply use the wrench to adjust the alignment. First step, let's look at the scissors when they're closed. Notice the tips are open, creating a gap. We'll insert the scissors into the end of the wrench, like this. Then, use the wrench to gently bend the scissor handles. Apply some force to break it like this. After a firm bend, the opening at the tips should be resolved. Let's look again. There's still a slight opening. Let's bend it a bit more. Important. Don't overbend the scissors. Everyone, you must apply firm pressure, but be careful not to break them. This method should improve the alignment somewhat. Okay, now let's close them and take a look. Compare these adjusted scissors to how they were before. The closing effect is much better. You saw how they were opened before, and now they're almost completely closed. After this adjustment, let's move on to the second step. Grab a towel. Everyone, look. You can use something else, like an iron bar, instead of the towel. Place the towel on the edge like this. You can also rest the wrench on the towel and tap it with a hammer. We just need to give it 3 taps on this towel edge. Don't hit the center of the blade. We're tapping on the edge. Okay, now let's see if the scissors cut better after we finish tapping. Let's cut this plastic film again. Look everyone, one snip and it's cut. We'll try cutting at the base of the scissors. You can see that the base also cuts very cleanly. Let's try it again, even at the shoulders of the blades. It moved a little bit, but the shoulders need to be sharpened as well. But it is a lot better than before, right? Let's try cutting with the shoulders. Even though the shoulder area is still a little difficult, wiping the blades down should help. However, it's a big improvement over being completely unable to cut at all. You see? So, that's how to use a wrench to realign the moving blade. I hope this helps.